This is our Big Make community loom. Each component that is being weaved into the loom is a repurposed or recycled t-shirt that was donated by our clothing and textile students and students here at West City. And we have taken the pieces and cut them up to make them into this loom, kind of weaving together the history of the shirts and our own students. Students have written messages in the fabric that is also being woven into the rug that will eventually live here at West City.
Hi, I'm Shirley Pierson, and I am the chair and faculty for the Clothing and Textiles Department here at West City. And today is our 6th annual Big Make event. And it is a time when we get to come together as the student body, as our institution's body, and out in the community that represents a day of making and the power of making. And we infuse then sustainability right into there. So everything that's happened this week with the students up to today has been workshops with our resident artist who has been here taking them through making using repurposed t-shirts and the power of wellness that you find in making. We'd love to have everybody participate, so watch out for next year because it'll happen again. Right now behind me you see our students who have started business ideas, and they're all sustainable oriented. There's also a couple of alumni students whose businesses are here making an impact in the sustainability world.
My name is Shelley. I'm local in San Diego. I made these graduation promotion ribbon leis. I got started by my own children, elementary school, middle school, and I just wanted something that has more longevity than your regular leis. So these are ribbons, and they can be gifted or unwoven, which I did all myself. But it's just a nice little celebration piece and gift for your loved ones.